Hey guys, it's Cute Monkey, and today I'm here with my best friend Kennedy, and we're going to be making slime.
We have all the ingredients.
Yes. So what you will be needing is you'll be needing a bowl, a spoon,
A measuring cup, glue,
lotion if wanted, and also shaving cream if wanted to make fluffy slime. Are we both making fluffy slime today?
yes.
So I'm making slime for her, and she's making slime for me.
And I'm going to be adding in just a flow because Aaliyah goes a little crazy.
And she's gonna be adding shaving cream too. And I'm gonna do my measurements. She's gonna do her measurements.
So, let's get started.
Let's get started. Okay. Oh, we're also doing a lively over there.
I don't think it's going to make a whole cup.
Yeah, let's just do that.
Okay, where's my spoon?
So we
Add
have
in
a
your
cup,
glue.
but it won't fit.
Yeah,
How about we just add
the whole thing at the bowl? So go and get another bottle of glue.
Yeah.
Because we thought we didn't do our measurements correctly, so we are not going to use our
I'll be
measuring
there.
cup. Well, we will for shaving cream. We're going to try and use like the same amount of shaving cream as glue.
But mine's like.
Ah, crap.
Don't do what Kennedy's doing right now.
Don't. And then just, if you are like me.
And drops it in the glue.
Okay. Now that you have all your glue poured in, add shaving cream. Well, first add your scent, which I'm doing Leah's, and she wants twisted peppermint.
First we add our scent.
Yes.
I never did this.
Because, like, you want to...
Make sure to keep the glue, because at the end when I'm done with all the glue, I just keep it.
And then you just add little by little with the scent, because I go a little bit more just because it's going to not smell the same.
And ours has like a color to it, so mine's obviously going to be pink, since this is pink, and then hers is obviously going to be blue, because that's blue.
Okay, and then it looks like a liquidy consistency. The lotion doesn't really give it a strong, like, pigment, I guess I should say.
Or like, it doesn't really give you a color unless you use a lot of it.
Yeah, and you want to, like, you can have the glue scent, but we don't want the glue scent, so we went for the lotion.
And you just want to keep smelling it until it's the scent you want, or you think your partner wants, because I'm just estimating on how much I think Kennedy.
I just am gonna do it until it doesn't smell like glue.
Just don't use like a ton. Like,
Yeah, because then
it will be.
you're gonna have to add more glue, more lotion at the end. And don't let your spoon fall in the bowl.
Okay, that's probably enough.
I don't block it in.
I know. It's fine.
I don't like when it does that because then you can't see anything. Okay, now shaving cream time.
Yeah, mine
cream.
smells pretty good.
Okay, you want to add little by little because if you add too much shaving cream, then it won't turn out good.
I'm going to try to do it Okay, now I'm going to try to do it.
Try and get it the same amount. A little bit less than the glue, but almost equal to the glue.
Like that?
Yeah. And then if you want it fluffier, you can.
Add
But make
more.
sure, yeah, you can add more. And you can add more scent to it too, more lotion.
Right now.
Yeah.
See, hers is like blue. I have a
And then you
purple
want to
one.
make sure that it's like a nice liquidy consistency and all the stuff is mixed up.
I'm
Do you
going to
want
add a little
fluffier?
more lotion.
You want fluffier?
Yeah. Do you want yours fluffier?
No. Wait. Can you take the cap off again? This must be...
I just don't want to add too much because then I won't have enough.
Because then if you add too much shaving cream, then like all your glue mixture goes away. And then it gets super hard.
That's what I do all the time.
Yeah, that's how
Mine
Leah
gets
makes time.
so hard.
I'm sorry people on live, you can't really see us. I don't really think there's a lot of people on live.
There's only one person. Okay, now we add Safe Flow, maybe. Right?
Yeah, after I'm done adding lotion.
And
I'm
gonna add
doing
a
the
little
stay
more.
flow so that way she doesn't kill my slime.
I over Safe Flow.
Yeah.
Or I over detergent, but
Yeah.
the activator. I over activator. That's
You can use a bunch of activators. Can you hold my spoon real quick? Yeah, that was really good. She has me here. I wouldn't call myself slime expert, but I've made slime multiple times.
Jeez, don't knock that over.
I made slime multiple times. So
Yeah,
it's kind of wild how much-
I call her a slime expert.
Yeah, she calls me a slime expert. Talk. Okay, now I'm just gonna
Here,
try and pour it into
Here,
this.
hold on. We could do small cup things. I'll just rinse this out and.
Yeah, we're gonna put it in the cup.
Oh my god.
I brought a lot because you never know.
Because we're going to be doing this all 3 days.
Yeah, I'm
Probably.
possibly.
Might not do it one day, but.
Okay, now I'm just gonna. Okay,
Just add like a little bit.
okay. Now, Aaliyah,
Add that to mine.
now mix.
Now pour it in.
Now I know that's not gonna be enough, but it's a good amount to start with because it's better to be safe than sorry. And life people, we're just adding activator now.
Which is,
You can
according
use,
to us, safe.
you can use borax or
Well, don't use
borax
Tide.
and water. You can use
Tide in like
yeah, but you
detergent,
just
but
need
it
to
gets
make
hard
sure.
really fast.
It gets hard for Aaliyah because
I do it terribly wrong.
okay, now you're gonna need more.
Yeah. Mine's doing pretty good, I mean. So here's what it looks like.
And then you just want to keep adding activator until it forms a good ball in the bowl, like Aaliyah's. Now she's just gonna, once I finish mixing hers,
So
it should be
this
good,
is our
and then we're gonna
slime.
mix it up.
This is my slime.
It's actually looking really good. And then at the end, if you want to, you can add more shaving
And
cream
here's
so that
her
it's fluffier.
slime.
And now we're just going to
Mix. Which
Mix.
I'm
Well,
not,
we're
I
gonna need.
can't, well yeah, need because, okay, oh my
Okay.
gosh, it's so sticky.
Is yours still sticky?
Yeah, it's so sticky.
Is it
But-
still liquidy? Like
Kind
liquidy
of.
texture?
It's so sticky.
Mine is too. So we're gonna, now we're done with measurements, we're just gonna.
Oh my Kennedy. Hopefully this doesn't get everywhere. Mama, be mad. This is what it's looking like. Kind of just like glue.
Okay.
Okay, I need some more activator chemistry. Can I just add a little tiny bit? Or you can do it.
Okay. Yeah, yours is a little bit difficult. See, Elise is good. It just needs to be kneaded.
Ooh, I like your blue color in here.
So. Alright. Yours is good. We're just gonna knead. And then, like, you wanna collect the excess from the bowl.
Yeah, the
Okay, you need more
excess.
stuff. Well,
Yeah. It's safe flow, not safe flow.
I see. Oh my.
How we
It's like a
did it.
glue mixture.
Hopefully we don't run out of safe flow.
Pour some in the bowl.
Whoa, Kennedy.
I don't want to do
Mama.
woman. Here, put it in the bowl.
Lady. I got this.
Are you sure?
Yes. I should have took off my ponytails. Okay, let me grab this. So mix it together. And you're just want to keep on kneading and
Kneading
kneading.
is key.
Yeah, kneading
You want to knead
and
for a while, and then if it's still sticky after like 10 minutes of kneading, then you know you need to add more activator.
or like super sticky like this, but I don't need any more activator because I already added like so much activator, and I don't want to waste activator because activator is really expensive.
That's right. It's like $4.
Okay, because activator can mess it up
Yes.
and make it really. Oh my gosh.
You need more.
Can we switch sides because this is gonna go all over the carpet?
Did you like form a ball in the bowl?
Yeah.
I did?
Yeah.
Like a good ball in the bowl?
No, but it made a blob. Not really a ball, but a blob.
You want
Because we are not switching because I have to do yours and you have to do mine. That's key here.
to... You have to trust that your partner won't mess your slime up.
Yes, that's a big part in slime making if you're doing it with a partner because you have to make sure your partner doesn't mess it up. Like this girl over here could. It smells really good in here now.
Mm-hmm.
What happened to that towel?
That's good.
Oh.
I just put it on the ground. Not on the ground, but on the toilet. You know what I mean.
Yeah. Because I can see it. Oh my god, this tiny bit won't get off my freaking hands.
And I just flip it around like that. And then just here.
This is difficult.
Yep, and that's why you give up, because then you just go overboard with stuff flow or Tide, because you get angry
Well, I don't
and
use
you
Tide.
don't want to take your time.
Yeah, I add a lot at a time. Well, if you add a lot at a time, then you'll get it done faster.
Yeah, but you want good, nice, stretchy, soft, fluffy slime, or
Hard
chunky,
slime.
hard, non-stretchy slime?
Ugly slime.
Yeah, ugly slime.
The
Here,
slime
here.
I had was really good, but then it like messed up.
See? And then just go like this. I'm kind of helping her knead because
I'm struggling over here.
she's slowly but surely struggling. And it's slowly but surely coming along.
Slowly, because the only reason why I go fast is because after a while from standing, my legs are hurting.
And then you can add more shaving cream if you want. I think I'm going to do. Okay, now Leah, this is going to get messy.
So then, you just poke it?
Yeah, do whatever you want, just mix it in.
Do you want yours fluffier? Yes. Just don't add a lot.
That's 6.
Crap.
I thought she got one more.
Hold on.
I think we should switch bowls.
Because
I need a bigger bowl to mix. Here, just dump yours in here.
you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Or more like dump mine in there. Okay, I'll put yours in this bowl.
I like your poking noise. I want some jelly in that one. I made it. I'm so weird. We can make it again, right?
You just drop the pipette. I know.
Does mine have good poking noises, man?
Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more activator because you're so kind of stiff.
Is oh no. Okay, can I clean it? First touch, are you ready, guys? First touch.
Hang on, it's not complete yet.
Oh my. Yours isn't complete either.
Well, it's okay because mine is taking a lot of kneading that your little arms aren't used to. Your little small arms aren't used to it.
I don't have small
Okay,
arms.
now
I'm
you're-
strong.
Your glue, your slime is good.
My glue is done.
Okay.
You like this slime?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks. We should add soap. So bubbly.
I don't really like adding foam soap. It kind of makes it hard. It's so good. You like mine? Yeah.
Could we add a little lotion?
You want more of this?
I just want to make it more pink because right now it looks really
I
white.
want more shaving.
Same here, just add a little bit.
Here.
Oh, no.
And then sometimes
Oh
if
my
you add more
gosh.
shaving cream, you need to add more Stuflo. Sometimes.
Safe.
Sometimes.
But according to me,
It's been working pretty good, so we shouldn't need more.
yeah, it's been,
Sometimes.
especially because we added so much safe flow already. We added so much. We added probably half of your container already. I'm gonna add a little bit more lotion because that's more than a little bit.
There's 3 people online. Let's move this out of the way. We're trying to let you guys see our faces now. Because we're done making the slime.
Oh no.
What?
I don't know. I don't know why I said oh no.
You want to switch to this?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Guess I can put that on Kevin.
It doesn't stick.
Mm-mm.
Mine so smells like mint. I'm so happy.
Sorry you guys can't see our faces.
Yeah. But you can see us playing with slime still. Oh no, it's on the sink. It's okay. I think.
Better hope it's okay.
We should probably get it out of the sink.
Yeah, we should.
How about we switch sides? Because that side has a bigger aerial. Oh my god, it's so sticky. I don't know what I do to
Slime I made you.
Well, excuse me. Sorry, mine's so perfect. Just kidding. Mine's not good. Pizza is dying with slime. See how I feel? Slime is my, I love, love, love slime. But it's my worst enemy when it comes to sticky stuff. Especially my slimes. My slimes. When I make slimes. It's in the sink, it's getting in the sink, it's getting in the sink. It's getting in the beautiful sink. Can you please clog it so it doesn't go through? There we go. Okay. Oh, don't add all of it. My slime's pink. I wouldn't expect it to be pink.
Well, I mean, the lotion's pink, Aaliyah. What do you think's gonna happen?
It's gonna be brown. Just kidding. It's gonna be blue. It's gonna be red. Oh, it's gonna be purple.
And more shaving cream.
What I like doing is poking it in
Yeah.
because then it makes it more pokey. Like sound pokey. Am I right?
Mhm.
That's the trick of making pokey slime. You poke shaving cream in it.
This is my slime.
And my slime's not done yet.
Oh, it was.
Shut up.
It was.
Here's my slime. A little hard, but it's beautiful. I'm just kidding, it's not hard at all. I'm just joking. Your face is like, are you kidding me, Leah? Going through all of that. It's so good. Hi, Caitlin Sport and Brooklyn Short. Brooklyn Short. Brooklyn Short. Is Brooklyn Short? Hey, Brooklyn Short, are you short or are you tall?
She's medium.
She's medium?
Yeah.
Look at my slime that I made. And look at the slime I made her. Beautiful. Stretch it. So lively people can see it.
She did the glue and the shaving cream, but I told her how much to add.
Yeah. And I mixed it, which is a
Yeah.
huge part.
It's such a big part. Such a big
The
part
safe flow is a bigger part.
that I did.
Oh my god, I'm obsessed.
She's pretty happy. She's satisfied with the slime.
Pretty
That I
happy, extremely happy of this slime.
That I made.
Okay, guys on YouTube, people on YouTube.
Goose.